Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I upload new videos about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please be sure to consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So today I wanted to do a Louis Vuitton Nice Mini versus Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. And some things that I will touch upon today are the difference in price, size, features, and what fits inside as far as makeup goes. And after talking about the comparison between the two, I will let you know which one I do prefer to use as far as a makeup bag while traveling. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about price first. So currently the Toiletry Pouch 26 retails for $520 and the Nice Mini retails for $945. So the Nice Mini is more expensive by $425, or the Toiletry Pouch is cheaper by $425, however way you want to look at it. But both are currently sold out online, hard to find, and very coveted by Louis Vuitton lovers. Alright, so as far as size, let me go ahead and show you some comparison shots. So here's what it looks like from the front. The top. Here's what it looks like. Same thing of the back, some of the sides, and the bottom. So as far as dimensions go, the Nice Mini measures 7.9 by 5.3 by 4.7 inches, and the Toiletry Pouch measures 9.8 by 7.9 by 2 inches right over here. So as far as volume, the Nice Mini can actually hold more than the Toiletry Pouch 26, but just be conscious of how big or long the items you are putting inside, because if we're talking about makeup, the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's a longer palette, so this one it will fit inside here just perfectly, or this one is the Morphe Day Slayer palette 15D, and this one will also fit inside here, but if you are using an organizer, this one will not fit, but these ones will fit no problem inside of the Toiletry Pouch 26 because it is longer. So yeah, just be conscious of the types of products you are looking to put inside, because if long palettes are something that is important to you, then maybe you might opt for the Nice BB size of the Nice series, or just get the Toiletry Pouch 26. And also regarding just size in general, a part of me feels like it's easier to pack the Toiletry Pouch than the Nice Mini when you're traveling, just because it is slimmer and the Nice Mini is more bulky, as you can see. And if you are using an organizer with the Nice Mini, you'll need to try your best just to keep it stored upright, or everything will just kind of fall out of place. But if you are not using an organizer, you can store it upright or on its side, I guess, since it really doesn't matter how you are placing things inside of your Nice Mini. Also, the Toiletry Pouch is definitely easier to slide into like a backpack or a tote bag because of its tall and slim shape. So let's go ahead and talk about features. So as you can see, both of these products are made of monogram canvas with a wipeable interior. So these are both really great for makeup if that's what you're using them for. Inside of the Nice Mini, there is a flat pocket right over here that you can use. But inside of the Toiletry Pouch, this one is just a deep pocket with no flat pocket inside. So as far as the zipper goes, both pieces do have a golden brass zip closure, as you can see here. And the Toiletry Pouch only has one zipper and a I want to say more narrow opening. But the Nice Mini, it has a double zipper that you can open, and it has such a wide opening, so when you open it up you can easily see everything that you have packed inside, which is something that I really like. So lastly, let's go ahead and see a comparison of what fits inside as far as makeup goes. And I already do have a what fits inside my Louis Vuitton Nice Mini video and what makeup I do keep inside. So I'll go ahead and link that for you right over here or also in the comments below. But this is generally what I pack my Nice Mini with inside of a Samorga bag organizer. And this is what it looks like with the organizer, and let me go ahead and show you what it looks like without the organizer, because although it looks so great and organized with the organizer, it does take a bit of space, and when I do take out the organizer, let me go ahead and show you how much more space there actually is when I don't have the organizer in it. Alright, so here's the Samorga bag organizer, and here is the Nice Mini without the organizer. So as you can see, there is a lot more space left inside of the Nice Mini. So, I mean, I can pack it up to all the way, maybe up to here, and it would still easily close. And so now, let me go ahead and show you what the same makeup looks like inside of the Toiletry Pouch 26. Okay, so here's an empty Nice Mini. And so this is what it looks like with all of the makeup inside of the Toiletry Pouch 26. And this one, I think you can fit more, but I'm not going to. But here's what it looks like when it's all zipped up. Still very sleek and can fit a lot more as well. This one has gotten more expensive over the years, but it is a really great price point if you are looking for a makeup bag. But if I were to choose one piece, I probably would go with the Nice Mini because I just love how I can see everything when I open it up. And although the Toiletry 26 is just easier to transport, the Nice Mini is more bulky, but I can still fit it inside my travel backpack and my suitcase, so it really doesn't bother me. And so also just wanted to mention that this piece is just so much more aesthetic and photogenic, so I think it also adds a lot to photos. So yeah, I think that is it for today. I hope that was helpful regarding price, size, features, and what fits inside as far as makeup. And I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!